Hello, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohanathanari. Now we are the discuss topic how to create a hand chart in Excel software. Okay, this is a hand chart in the Excel software. Now this is a data set for the creating the hand chart. The first one variable for the sample collections, the days sample collection, and this is a date. Okay, the sample we find collected for five different samples and the different dates and starting and end dates for the past years. Okay, the starting date, this is a next one variable by end date, this is a duration column. This bar is mentioned to the duration column for the starting date to the end date. The first one for the sample, the first sample collection the duration date for the 53 days. Okay, the second sample collected days for the 60 days, and third sample collected for the 69 days, and fourth sample 85 days, and fifth samples the collected date, total the 58 dates. Okay, the this data used to how to create a hand chart in the Excel software. Okay, this data copy paste to the new one sheet, the data already entered. So the now the calculate for the duration date in the Excel sheet. So the select the cell and enter the function for the equal. Then first one for enter the end date, the C2, and minus the starting date B2. Okay, then click enter. Okay, then calculate for the duration date for the starting date to end date. Okay, now the cells track and track to the another cells, the duration date calculated. So now the created for the Hunt chart in the Excel sheet. So the first of all go to the insert menu and created for the bar chart. Okay, 2D bar chart, the empty chart column. Okay, then created the empty chart. So now the select for the data sheet. So the select for the right click and select for the data. Okay, the open the new tab for the data source. So the first for the legend enter the series, the click for the add button. Okay, the first of all the series name for selected for the starting date, then series value enter to the starting date. So the error, okay, clear the series value. So select the data date, then click the OK button. So the next one data added to the duration date, the series name, duration date, then series value, duration date data. So then click the OK button. Okay, now the horizontal category y axis label added. So the edit, click the edit options. So the select for the name for the sample collecting, then click the OK button. Okay, now select for the starting date data and right click, then go to the format access, go to the fill and line options. So then no color for the border and no color for the fill color. Okay, then go to the series options, the gap with reduce 100. Okay, the no border, then okay, then select for the OHS column, then right click the format access, click for the category is in reverse order. So the select for the checkbox, then category is in reverse order. So then the bar move to the minimum date. So this is the date column. So the select for the date, then format access. So the minimum value mentioned to the numeric. So this is the date column convert to the numeric. The how to the date convert to the numeric. So the starting date, the 2.1/2023, the date selected, the paste any one cell, then go to the home menu and use for the number format options, the change for the number. Okay, this is for the minimum starting the date number value. So copy the data. So the cell for the date options, then go to the minimum value, change to the copy and paste value. So then click the OK button. Okay, the data is moved the first the starting date 2.1 2023. So the first the next the select for the element chart options, then go to the unclick for the grand line and add it to the data table. Select the additional options, the no legend keys. Okay, the no legend key. Okay, then select for the hold the chart, go to the change to the font menu, the time Roman. Okay, the font size for the 12 and font color change to the font color options black. Okay, then the created for the border, so select for the hold the chart, right click and format texts. So the border color select to the automatic to the black color. Okay, then the width 1.5. Okay, then select for the y-axis column, the line colors black. Okay, then width for 1.25 or 1.5. So then select it for the data table. Thus also change to the border color, then black 1.5. Okay, then the border created, the border is black 1.5. Okay, then select for the bar chart, then right click, format textures, go to the fill and line colors. So the select for the border is black, the border with 1.5. Okay, then next color change, fill the color options, choose the color, any one color. Okay, then red, dark red, green. Okay, this is for the data visualization, the hand chart for the Excel software. Okay, if you any doubt, leave me the comments in the comment box. I will help you. If you want practice those the chart that the chart template upload for our Telegram channel and the download the template and try to the practice for the this graph. Okay, if you like our channel, please click the subscription button and support to me. Join to our channel membership. Okay, thank you.